Hi, my name is Charles Merritt, and I want to go over the proper way to do a quad cough, or how I do it, since there's very little information about it on the web, besides a video from the 1980s, which is a little bit antiquated. So in order to do a proper quad cough, and the reason that you do them is because as a cervical injury, sometimes you have no use of your diaphragm, which in my case, it's totally dormant. So I have to have the assistance of another person to basically push my diaphragm and help me to cough. So in order to do that, I take in a deep breath, and then at the top of the deep breath, the assistant pushes it. If you have increasingly stubborn phlegm, as I sometimes do in the mornings, another assistive device that can help you in coughing is what I call the duck. It's really a small little device here that you blow into, and there's resistance and a vibration. You do it 10 times, breathing in deeply every time, and then after the 10th time, you go back to the quad cough. And cough. Another method that I use to help dislodge the phlegm that might be stuck in my throat, I guess would be best described as the trumpet method. This method helps to break up the phlegm, similar to the duck that I just used previously. And I find it to be one of the most effective ways to get phlegm out of wherever it's stuck at between my lungs and expelling it through my mouth. Another method I use to assist with my coughing is good for individuals that may have issues with their stomachs, and pushing on the stomach might not be the best way to assist you with a cough. Is having your assistant or aide or caregiver lean you forward as you cough, and that helps push your diaphragm and helps get the mucus up. In most cases, I use all the methods depending on the severity of the phlegm.